Bakit? Na parang putol na siya ng Scout Barrio? Because... Hello?
Thank you, Bloom. Yes, finally called Bloom. Before we go any further, of course this event will not be successful without an overall chairperson. May I please call on Kagawad Daniel Tabligan of his escort.
Hello, good evening to everyone. Pasensya na po at medyo umulan-ulan pa. We're still enjoying the night. And we would like to thank our patron
for the Royal Entertainment. Kung kamulaan na. Thank you.
Galing, no?
Pwede po tayong sumali na mag-join po for this royal dance.
na walang hanggan, do'y maghihintay pa rin. Ikaw ang lahat sa akin, sa may kapalaking dinadalangin. Dapat bakit ang limutin? Paano mapipigil ang isang damdamin?